Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Instagram for beginners. So if you're new to Instagram and want to learn the basics, just follow along. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, tap sign up and follow the on-screen instruction to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. This is where you can see posts, reels, and stories from people you follow. To follow someone, tap the search icon at the bottom of your screen and search for their username. Then open their profile and tap if you want to upload a photo or video, tap the plus icon at the top of your screen. Choose the content you want to post, add a caption, and then tap share. To create a story, tap your profile picture at the top of your home page. Take a photo or video or select one from your gallery and then tap your story. You can also watch reels by tapping the reels icon at the bottom. Simply scroll up to watch more short videos. To send messages, tap the messenger icon in the bottom of your screen. From there, you can chat with friends, share posts, and send reels. You can manage your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom of the corner. Here you can edit your profile, view your posts, stories, and account settings. So that was a quick guide on how to use Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.